An all-out war between the Secretary of the BCCI and the ICC chairperson N. Srinivasan. It's a stinging letter written by Anurag Thakur, an open letter to Srinivasan making very, very strong allegations. Harini Rana, our chief cricket correspondent, joins us with the details. Yes, Harini, this is in response to a letter given to Anurag Thakur ahead of the working committee meeting by the ICC.
Well, absolutely, Anand. Times now is in possession of this letter that's been written by the current BCCI Secretary, Mr. Anurag Thakur, addressing to the ICC Chairman, Mr. Srinivasan, clearly hitting back at the ICC Chairman, stating instances of how Neeraj Gunde has been closely associated with Mr. Srinivasan. In fact, the BCCI Secretary also goes on to take a jibe while towards the end of the letter states that all the information on suspected bookies should have been shared with family members of yours as well. This is, of course, coming just after a day after leading up to the working committee meeting. There were pictures of Mr. Anurag Thakur seen with a certain gentleman, Karan Gilotra, and the ACSU or the ICC statement clearly stated that Karan Gilotra is an individual who has been on the suspect list of the ICC ACSU since 2014. There was an advisory that was shared with all the BCCI members along with, of course, the IPL team as well, stating that players should stay away from him because Karan Gilotra, who is from Chandigarh, needs to try to befriend friends, and there were unverified allegations against Karan Gilotra, and the pictures emerged that were of the BCCI Secretary along with Karan Gilotra at a private function. This, of course, Anurag Thakur now hitting back at Srinivasan, the war between the BCCI factions becoming public, and this is the letter that's gone from the BCCI Secretary to the ICC Chairman. Clearly, the war is out and open, where Anurag Thakur gives a point-by-point rebuttal stating that if there was any intimation, then he should have been informed when Anurag Thakur was the Joint Secretary and Mr. Srinivasan was also in charge, and also goes on to add that jibe about this information.
If you read the letter and if you can read that particular part where he starts with the confirmation, he does not deny knowing this person. What Anurag Thakur says is, I have known this person, but I had no knowledge that this person was under the ACSU watch list. And if he was under the watch list and if he had connections with bookies allegedly, why weren't the office bearers known? That is a question that Anurag Thakur has turned back and asked N. Srinivasan.
Absolutely. In this letter, he clearly states that I've earlier been the Joint Secretary of the BCCI under your presidentship, and I'm now the Secretary. I only wish that you'd share this list of unverified suspected bookies with me and other colleagues of the BCCI who could identify such persons and keep away from them. I have known this person who has been active in political and cricketing activities in Punjab and adjacent states. I have no knowledge or any clue about his activities as a suspected bookie. Now, this is a letter that's been written by the BCCI Secretary Anurag Thakur addressing to Mr. Srinivasan. Clearly, it also goes on to state that it is curious that intimation of my having known to a suspected bookie was brought to the notice of ICC by your friend Mr. Neeraj Gunde. In fact, he also goes on to launch a stinging attack, stating that Mr. Neeraj Gunde operates on your behalf. A procured complaint and an ICC advisory based on unverified information was issued at your behest on the eve of the BCCI working committee meeting. It was intended to be a counter-offensive on your behalf since you've not reconciled with my election as the Secretary of the BCCI. So clearly, the results of the BCCI election going on to this war factions and war between the two factions of the BCCI. While this story came out soon, there were stories emerging from the other camp about a possible Snoopgate, about Mr. Srinivasan hiring a London-based agency to snoop on the BCCI officials and check on their emails as well. But this is a very stinging attack led by the BCCI Secretary Anurag Thakur, addressing this letter that has been accessed by Times now to the
Well, you know, the bottom paragraph is where he's taken multiple pot shots at N. Srinivasan. First up, he says, who is this Neeraj Gunde? We know he's close to you, and why is he circulating information to people around the media in the national capital? Harni, that's the first question. He says, why was it timed to a day before the working committee meeting? It was done with sinister intent. Secondly, it turns around and says that there was factional politics, and the fact that he was elected secretary ahead of N. Srinivasan's proposed candidate or the candidate backed by him has not gone down well, and he's indicating that this is vendetta. That's the second point. And third one, he turns around and says that he's taken a jibe there, and the jibe is that you should at least share it with the office bearers of the BCCI and other members of the BCCI, and he says more importantly your own family members who have been convicted or proved guilty of betting. I also have Atul Vasan with us on the phone. Atul, your reaction to this? This is BCCI versus BCCI, letter wars out in the open.
Yeah, this was just I was expecting, because that and people are so powerful and the game is so big. Nothing is beyond them, and I think this is bad news. And I was just wondering, last 10, 15 days, there is no negative news, friction, here we go again. But I think probably it's we are very close to the end game, and I think this cannot go on forever. And I think it's Anurag has written. I think he's actually in the right actually in this point, because people pick up small points and take on people politics, and the cricket will suffer.
True. And Atul Vasan, do you feel that in this charge and this question that Anurag Thakur asked of Srinivasan, saying that I only wish you had shared the list of the unverified suspected bookies with me earlier and other colleagues so that we could identify such persons and stay away from them. Is that a fair charge to make?
Totally. And I just said this before, and I think we're doing a show in the evening also, because, I don't know who's being on the list, who's watched and all. I mingle with people. I'm a politician. I'm a social person. So many people will come and stand next to me. I don't know the local stand of anybody, So I think it's very unfair of somebody to target somebody, say that he met somebody. I don't even know other people do. How is it? It's impossible humanly.
Letter wars out in the open, charges, counter charges flying thick and fast, rebuttals, pot shots being taken. Let's take a listen to what Rajiv Shukla had to say.
राजीव जी, जो बीसीसीआई के सेक्रेटरी हैं अनुराग ठाकुर, उनको देखा गया है एक बुकी के साथ, करण गिरहोत्रा के साथ।
इस मामले में हमें कुछ जानकारी नहीं है, इसमें हम कोई टिप्पणी,
अखबारों में खबर आ चुकी है, आपको पूरी जानकारी आप बताइए।
जानकारी नहीं, इसमें कोई टिप्पणी हम नहीं करेंगे। और बोलिए।
और क्या बोलना है इसमें, ये सवाल
तो नहीं, कोई हमारे पास ऐसा कोई प्रमाण नहीं है, कोई हमारे पास ऐसी एविडेंस नहीं है। मैंने बोल दिया इस पे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करेंगे। इस तरह का हमारा कोई प्रमाण हमारे पास नहीं है।
आपके पास प्रमाण भले ही न हो, लेकिन जब इस तरह की बात सामने आई, आप जांच कराएंगे।
दूसरा सवाल क्या है?
आप बोर्ड के इतने अच्छे मेंबर हैं, क्या आपकी ये जिम्मेदारी नहीं बनती है कि आप इस बात की जांच कराइए?
दूसरा सवाल क्या है?
सर, अगर दूसरा ये है कि जिस तरीके से अखबारों में खबरें आ रही हैं, बीसीसीआई का नाम खराब हो रहा है कि एक बड़ा अधिकारी बीसीसीआई का अनुराग ठाकुर, वो एक बुकी के साथ दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं, ऐसी खबरें आ रही हैं, तो क्या छवि मैली नहीं होती बीसीसीआई की? क्या जांच भी कराने को तैयार नहीं है?
इस मामले में हमें कुछ जानकारी नहीं है।